Mga ka-Simpol, isa namang favorite merienda ang gagawin natin kasi ang dami sa atin nagre-request naman ng desserts kasi puro tayo ulam. Kaya ngayon magluluto tayo ng special na turon.
Simpol, simpol, luto na, ha, ha.
So magluluto tayo ng ating paboritong turon. Pero may twist tayo ng konti kasi may caramel sauce siya with rum. Pwede namang optional yung rum, pero sigurado akong magbibigay ito ng kakaibang flavor na very subtle lang. And let's start, no? So unang-unang gagawin natin, magpe-prep tayo. So ito, meron na tayong langka kasi pag turon, dapat may langka. Pero pag wala naman, wag mo nang pilitin. You have to cut the langka, the ripe langka into strips, no? So i-cut natin into strips. So, yung langka kasi nagbibigay siya ng certain sweet aroma sa ating turon. So, itatabi natin yung ating langka or jackfruit in English, di ba? Yan. And, prepare natin yung banana. So, meron tayong saba banana, no? Medyo, huwag yung sobrang ripe, ha? Yung katamtaman lang yung ripeness niya. Or else, it's going to be mushy. So, yung gagawin ko dito is I'm going to cut it into quarters lengthwise. So, parang siyang french fries to cut that, ha? So, very slender yung gagawin nating turon para medyo sexy siya tignan sa plato. Hindi siya yung turon na nakikita natin sa ating mga side streets. Set aside natin. And we begin to roll our turon. Diba? So, what do we do? So, meron tayong lumpia wrappers naka-ready. Look at that. And yung turon natin, yung banana natin, i-roll natin ng white sugar. You can use brown sugar as well. So, lalagyan natin ng 2 pieces ng turon. No? Rolled in our sugar. And we roll. Ang gamit ko dito, pang padikit ng ating turon, ay slurry or mixture of flour and water. Hindi cornstarch yung gamit ko dito kasi pag cornstarch yung ginamit ko, ay magse-separate siya, no? Settle siya sa baba. Pero yung harina kasi nangyayari is nagiging pasty yung consistency niya. So it's perfect for rolling. And we fold the ends, ganyan. And we continue rolling. Yan. So very slender na turon yung ginagawa natin. So it looks classy, kahit very simple to do. So we'll roll several. Now we're ready to fry, but in the meantime, while we're waiting for oil to heat up, I will toast our sesame seeds for garnish. Kasi when you toast your sesame seeds, mas masarap siya kasi lumalabas talaga yung nutty aroma niya. So, we just heat up a pan and we just toast our sesame seeds slightly. No? We don't want to burn it, but we just want it to, like, have a blonde color, no? So you see our sesame seeds are turning a little bit of, turning golden a bit, no? Hindi natin gusto na sobrang dark kasi when we put it in our caramel sauce, gusto natin nakikita din yung seed. So that's enough and we put it back into our bowl. You can even do this ahead of time and toast a lot of sesame seeds and just keep it in an airtight bottle. So ito, our oil is hot enough. So what we do now is we drop our turon. So when you drop your oil, you drop it outward. You don't drop it from that end closer to you kasi if it splashes, you're going to burn yourselves. And you move it around. Importante sa kanya talaga, ikot-ikutin mo yung turon mo para even yung cooking, hindi yung dark on both sides and sa gilid niya is maputla. So what you do, you just keep turning your turon. In the meantime, while we're waiting for our turon to become golden, we start with our caramel sauce. Yan. So, ito medyo tricky lang ng konti yung paglagay natin ng rum. Pero, you can also omit the rum if you want. Yan. So, gagamit lang tayo ng white sugar. A bit of white sugar. And we allow it to caramelize. So, you just don't move it now. You just let it sit in the pan. And we're going to use some rum and also butter. And you see, little by little, your sugar is melting. Wag nyo lang siyang i-move around, no? Because it's going to crystallize. So, you just let it sit. Almost done na rin yung ating turon. Look at that. So, our turons are now golden brown. We just set it aside for a moment while we are finishing our caramel sauce, our rum caramel sauce. Beautiful. Look at that. So beautiful. Yan. So excited to dig in. Yan. And here, look at our caramel sauce. Tingnan mo ha. Nagiging brown na siya on the side. And you have to be very careful when working with sugar kasi sugar can heat up to 400 degrees. So sobrang init niya na pag napasok ka talagang tatanggal talaga yung balat mo. So remember, when it burns, it's going to become bitter. A little bit more before we add our rum. So ito yung rum natin, gagawin natin is we're going to flambe. Ito yung tinatawag na flambe na sinusunog natin yung alcohol. So when you put it, you actually get the flavor of the rum, but nawawala na yung alcohol niya. So huwag kayong matakot, even kids can have this because yun nga, the alcohol has been burnt out. And look at that, you have a very nice caramel color. Yan. Wow. And we add our butter. Look at that. Sobrang nice ang caramel sauce natin. And we add our butter. Yan. That's around 2 tablespoons of butter. So, very nice flavor. Sweet, salty, and savory. We're ready to plate. Look at that. We have our fried turon. We have our caramel sauce. Look at that. And we just bathe it in our rum caramel sauce. Oh my, lagyan natin ng konting sesame seeds. O sino pang magno-know dito, kahit naka-diet, hindi mo mapigilan yung sarili mo dito. Here it is, our banana turon with rum caramel sauce. Simpol! Nagustuhan niyo ba ang video na to? Please share para lalong dumami ang ating mga kasimpol. And don't forget to subscribe to our Facebook, YouTube, and Instagram accounts.